chance they'll stop being very hard.
Chad, good morning. Good
Morning, guys.
How's everyone feeling this morning? Chad and Donia, good morning.
Feeling a bit tender after yesterday.
Feeling tender?
Yeah,
Really?
markets were tough yesterday.
Chad and Donia, good morning. How's the audio? How's the music? Hope everyone is feeling well and lit. It is Friday. What a tough week. You guys saw my IG post yesterday, and actually so good that we are going through this because a lot of you have gone through it. You haven't, you don't have the ability to actually mentally get through it, and I've been through it. I've been trading for almost 9 years. It is a terrible feeling. Don't get me wrong. Drawdown is never something we seek out to do. Obviously, we want to win. And yeah, big thing is staying in the game. As mentioned, I made a post yesterday on Discord saying that when you go through these periods, and you are going to go through them, if you've been trading for long enough, you would know that this is part of the game. Big thing now is to stay in the game. Don't start to panic. Don't start to revenge trade. We are only down 3% for the week. It's money that we've made that we have given back to the markets. It is not the end of the road. So don't stress, guys. Do not panic. Losses don't break us. Wins don't make us. So stay calm. All right, Chad, Friday, we've got not too much going on. We had quite a bit of pound news coming out, GDP coming out as expected, year on year, coming out a little bit hotter than expected, but overall relatively flat in line with what was expected. However, a bit of a slowdown in the manufacturing sector, those numbers coming in lower than expected. And so a little bit of a mixed bag, more tilted towards, I would say, neutral. So we're going to start looking at the charts now. Mo, just let me know if the music is fine. I just want to make sure that the music's not too soft, not too loud. And later we've got Fed Logan speaking 2:30, and then also 2:30 we've got ECB's Christine Lagarde chatting to us, and then also a big one this afternoon at 5, the Consumer Sentiment Index. That's also a big one. Everything sounds good. Appreciate it. Keegs, I didn't listen to it, bro. I was toast yesterday. Keegs mentioning Powell's speech. What came out of that, Keegs? Don't know if you want to just give us a quick breakdown of that.
Yeah, so basically, Powell has told us everything and kind of shocked the trading community that he just believes we haven't had the full effect of everything yet. They are still recovering from some of the collapses of the banks and things like that earlier in the year, and that they are still in the fight against inflation. So because of that, they will keep raking heights, and yeah, it is definitely not ending anytime soon. So probably till the end of the year, we will continue to see those rates go higher, and the dollar to just keep on strengthening. So that was quite a big shock. That means obviously our indices and things will then start falling, and the dollar will rise.
Keegs, you know, it's a tough week when you say they're gonna keep rating hikes. Chad, we've been in the trenches. We've been taking grenades, but hopefully they can stop rating hikes and start hiking them. But it's been a good week. Keegan gave you guys a win yesterday. Actually, 2 wins. NASDAQ, I still chatted to him afterwards, and I said, what a trade. He unfortunately got stopped out at break even. Some of you took profit, but overall, Keegan been carrying the team. His back is a little bit sore. Keegs, I'll try and carry you today. Don't worry.
I appreciate it.
The man said he asked me yesterday, do I know of a good chiropractor, because he's been carrying the Chad the entire week. So I'll see where I get to today. But Chad, let's get straight into it. 20 minutes till the open. It's Friday. I came in very early today into the office. I already did my morning prep, went through everything. So everything is set up. Yesterday, buyers did not play out as I wanted to. I was bearish on the day yesterday. I am bullish now on the day, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly why. Like I mentioned, I've already been through all the charts. I'm just going to give you a quick breakdown of what we've got going on. So yesterday I mentioned we were closing back inside of the range. I was expecting price to come back into this range. However, I also mentioned the outside chance, the lower probability of price closing back inside of this range, which it did. So what are we looking at now? I'm looking for price to go up for DXY on the daily. 106.13. This is most probably the next range that we will be trading in. This is this previous area of major support, and we have yet to retest that. And also another hot topic, myself and Keegan were chatting about it the entire week, this open gap right here, guys. We said, are we going to close it this week? Is this going to be a magnet for price to draw the dollar all the way back up here to close that gap before going lower? And it seems like price wants to go and close that gap. So daily time frame, I am bullish. 5-minute time frame, let's quickly look at it. What do we have got going on here? Price has been trading relatively close to the weekly pivot the entire week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we've been hovering around this weekly pivot. You can see that this has been a key level where price has been gravitating towards. And are we going to start making our move away from the weekly pivot now? First things first, we've already taken Asia highs. Asia lows are still intact. We are trading above the daily pivot. We're trading above the daily lows. So my thing now is, where do we trade the dollar from? I don't necessarily want the dollar coming all the way back down here, because that's obviously going to be dollar weakness. Sustained dollar weakness. I obviously want the dollar to either hold the Asia highs and from here start pushing to the upside, but we'll see what we get on the lower time frames as soon as the market opens up. US30 on the daily, I've been mentioning to you guys, we are in this daily range. Yesterday breaking out of that daily range, closing bearish. I'm bearish on the day, and I'll get Keegan's view on it now as well. And bearish on the day. And what do I see here? So we were trading inside of this range right here. Apologies for that. This was the range that we were trading in, and now we've broken into this range. So if we find resistance there, I think we can come back down to this lower range, and I'm expecting price to come and retest these levels. Maybe not today, maybe early next week. But up until we don't trade back inside of this 34K area, this is most probably the range that I want you guys to monitor. So this is going to be our daily range to monitor, from 34K down to 33,610. And then if we start pushing bullish, this will be the bullish zone for price to trade in, and this is the bearish zone. So just keep that in mind. Also, quickly looking at what Asia is doing. I just want to see what Asia is doing overnight, or what it did. Nikkei closing down 0.24, relatively flat on the day. Hang Seng closing down 1.5. Again, mixed bag, leaning towards negative equities. So keep that in mind. US30 5-minute time frame. Let's quickly have a look at the 5 and see where we are with that. 5-minute time frame, we've got quite a wide Asia range. No, that is not the Asia range. Apologies, guys. This right here is the Asia range. Correctly so. No, there's the Asia range. So quite a big Asia range. Accumulation distribution starting to flatten out, starting to struggle at these levels. And I'm going to say this level right here, look for potential rejections off that level. Unless something dramatic happens and we start holding above here, I will purely be looking for potential sells off this level. So I'm just letting you guys know. The only way I'll be looking for buys there is if we convincingly clear that level and we start pulling back towards NYSE session, and then maybe I'll look for buys a little bit later. But for now, I am bearish, Keeks. I don't know what's your thoughts on US30. Mo couldn't get the screen to work, the atom. Mo, I think this is another sign we should start prepping earlier, but there's no screen share for Keegan. So Keegan, just give us an idea of what you are looking at. I'll try and show it on the chart right here.
So US30, let's just see here quickly. So for me, funny enough, I am going to actually start flipping bearish now. I think we can just have this big bullish push that we're going to see now.
Sorry, Keeks.
No, it's all good.
No, you can go ahead.
So we'll continue this bullish push. You'll see where the daily pivot is. So basically, we want to test that daily pivot, get back to daily highs, which is 34.015. So basically, have that 34.015, and the EQ is basically there at 34.25. So we'll be testing those places. I'd probably then like to see that breakout, close back below the daily highs, and the sells all the way back down to Asia lows. And then we can go set the lows of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna look for that spike upwards back to daily highs and then come back down again.
Keeg, sorry, guys, just some running repairs here. We're gonna get Keegan on. I figured it out. Keegs, you're gonna get the ability. Give us 2 seconds, guys.
No problem.
And Keegan. Okay, guys, let's quickly shoot over to Keegan's screen. And Keeks, you are live. Give it to the guys.
Perfect. So guys, what I was saying is we are now, so obviously I was bullish, but with this big news that came out with the dollar yesterday, that kind of has flipped things around. So we basically gonna go bearish on the day, and with this I will go neutral. I mean, the week's basically gonna close a little bit as a doji candle now. So let's just correct that. But what I want to see is you guys can see that we close back below these daily highs. So very, very simple. All we want to see is on the 4 hour, we come back. If my entry draws, guys, what I always just say I love to see from things, I love these big, strong bearish candles where we slowly, over a few candles, get that pullback to this area of the daily highs. So what we'll be looking for is literally to have us come back up here, hold as resistance, and go lower back to the weekly key level that's here at the bottom. So already now that we know that's our plan, when we drop down to the 15, we'll see very, very simple. There is our daily pivot, and the EQ is literally at the daily highs. So we'd like to see us get above the daily pivot, go test this daily highs, almost that fake breakout, which will be testing your EQ, get back below, and then sell off all the way to Asia lows that are untested, and that way also going to set the lows for the day. So that'll be my plan on US30.
Shot Keeks. Okay, his screen is sorted. Over to NASDAQ. I'm bearish on the day. These are the probable ranges that I'm looking at. So we closed back below here. This is now a confirmed resistance area. Looking left, you can see that this area here, you can tweak it maybe a little bit, but this is a previous area of resistance. You can see resistance being formed there. You can see resistance being formed there. You can see support being formed there. And here again, you had this fake out above the range and price coming back into it. What happened straight after that? Price coming back lower. So are we going to get exactly the same happening here? What happened there? I don't know, but I am leaning towards bearish. And for that fact that I am bearish, I'm looking for us to potentially trade into this range today. So only way I can be bullish on this is if we start holding above this 15.208 level and jumping down to a 5-minute time frame. What do we have on the 5? The 80 is still relatively bullish, but you can see we are starting to flatten out here. and I am bearish on the day. I don't know what's Keeg's his thoughts on it, but we're trading below the moving averages. We're trading below the daily pivot, and we are now trading at that key level that I mentioned. And if we start finding resistance here at 15,207, I think you can see price coming a whole lot lower today. So that is my view on NAS. USD JPY daily time frame. Let's have a look at it. Yesterday I mentioned that I was bullish on the day. I am bullish again today, and go to yesterday's analysis where I said this is our probable range that we are trading in now. So I'm still expecting price to push up to 151.71. Nothing showing me anything bearish as of yet. I also mentioned at the start of the week, what was weird for me is my weekly bias was bearish. But looking at the market structure, these lows were never taken after creating a resistance here. So this all could have been a pullback, and you could still see price going a whole lot higher. Only thing with UJ this week, it has been tricky getting entries. Yesterday as well, it was a mess trying to get entries. Price only started pushing late into the evening. Nothing there for me. AD is bullish. We're trading above the daily pivot. We have already taken Asia highs, which makes it even more difficult. And how do we trade this? I honestly wouldn't like buying the weekly highs. It is Friday. So I'm going to give it a little bit to simmer. I will monitor these Asia high levels, but I'm not necessarily looking for sells. I'm bullish. I'll see if there's any potential bullish plays that come through the cracks. Daily time frame, GJ, what do we have here? So after this little breakout right here, let me just show you this. After that daily breakout level, we failed to continue higher. We closed back inside of the range. Even though we just nipped below it, I am bearish on the day. And another reason why this pair was tricky to trade this week, I think you guys can guess it. We are in a range. We've been taking highs, we've been taking lows. Effectively, this is a range. So no swing trader, I don't care how good you are. You couldn't swing shit in here. You could have swinged your head into your own ass, but other than that, nothing else was swinging this week on GJ. I'm bearish on the day. As you can see, we closed back inside of this range. Most probable we can pull back, but at any stage can we start trading below the 185, and I'm expecting price to come back lower to 184.30. And 5 minute time frame, let's have a look at it. What's happening on the 5? Our 80 is still relatively bullish. You can see from here that all the way from Wednesday we are still pushing bullish. We are trading however below the daily pivot. You can see that today's daily pivot, yesterday's daily pivot's almost exactly on the same level. So how do we trade it? We've taken Asia highs right now. I'm looking for potential sells below here. If the 80 starts flipping bearish, I will start looking for sells below the 185 level. And what level are we going to target today? We're going to target 184.30. So let's see what she does. GJ Keeks, have you done GJ yet?
GJ.
Let's quickly throw over to Keeks. Keeks, you are live on the decks.
Cool. So GJ, I'd actually like to see flipping bullish now, funny enough. Purely that being, we had the GDP come out for the pound today, which came out actually very positive for the pound. So we've been here the whole time. We've been seeing lows, new high, new low. We now are basically back at this key area over here, as you guys can see. So what I'd like to see is if not only are we back above Asia highs, but if we can keep this bullish momentum and get back above here, I'll be very, very confident in that bullish push. But again, I am leaning more to the bullish side of things now. As you can see, we are rejecting this area. We got our daily pivot above us and the daily EQ. But again, I would love to see us, if we can get above this area, get to that pivot, we can definitely look to go long from there.
So you want to look long?
Yeah. Are you short?
I don't know, bring this Seattle's and don't throw the cups away. My goodness. And even they brought us to Seattle, it would have been fine. All right, Chad. Did you guys break my chair yesterday? I don't know. Chadadonia, let's quickly go to gold. We've got 5 minutes left. We'll get through everything. I already prepped the charts beforehand. Gold, I am bearish on the day due to the fact that we are creating bearish market structure. I do expect us to potentially push up to that 1972 level and then from there come all the way back lower to this 1932 level. I can only get short-term bullish again once we've got 2 consecutive bullish daily candle closures. But from these highs, you can clearly see that we are taking out lows. And the first crack in the system was when we took out that low right there that created a break in structure. So this currently is bearish order flow. We're just going to follow that. And I'm not bullish on this. I'm bearish. I've been bearish since Monday. Yeah, since Monday. Go back on the streams after we broke this intermediate support right here. I told you guys we can come and retest this level. After we closed below that, we had that wick fill. I was bearish. Yesterday I was bearish, expecting price to push lower. We did get that initial push and then price reversed. But again today, I do expect some type of pullback back to 1970. I think this is quite a good level for you to start looking for potential sells. And maybe next week, 1932 on deck. Keys, gold. Let's go over to Keegs, the gold king. Give it to us. 3, 2, 1, live.
All right, guys. So again, yesterday, key thing for me was what I said I wanted. We needed to close above this key level, which we fought for it, but we got there. We had that big push up. We even got all the way back up to the next key level, but closed and pushed all the way back down. But again, key thing was that we closed over here. So I wouldn't be surprised now. We have this little bearish push again, but all we want to see is us get back above this key level, and once we can go there, we can start aiming there. But I literally said after we got that, we are slowly starting to turn bullish for the next short-term while. Obviously for the day, we've gone straight down. We saw Asia highs, Asia lows, failed to test Asia highs and came right back down to take the daily pivot and the daily EQ. But again, this can be our low of the day. So if we can get back above this range, get back above the Asia lows, back above the key level, we can look to go long for now. Again, as I said, once we are here, I wouldn't be surprised to see us go back to that 1965.
Chad, 5 minute gold. Let's quickly look at the 5 moving averages bearish, accumulation distribution starting to crown. I am bearish on gold. Please look at this area into the session, potential rejections in this zone, and you can see price come all the way lower. Otherwise, if we start trading above Asia highs 1960, only way I can get bullish on gold is if we start doing something like this. That is the only way I will get bullish on gold. Other than that, I am bearish. And this zone right here, look for potential rejections to go short on it. 1956, I think we can go lower from there. GBP USD daily time frame. We were bearish yesterday on it. I'm bearish today again. 4 days straight of bearish price action. However, technically we did break this bearish market structure. So at any stage, can we still flip bullish? But on the day, I need to identify the ranges that we are in. Yesterday, this was our potential range to trade in. Today, this is our potential range to trade in all the way down here. Only way, apologies, that I can get bullish, anything above 122.50. If we start holding back above this zone right there, I can get bullish. Otherwise, bearish for me. Nothing's changed. Yesterday I was bearish. Price pushed quite late in the session. You guys caught some nice buys. I was waiting for sells. Accumulation distribution is showing me flat as this entire week. So this has been the 80 this entire week. No clear direction, no clear momentum as per se. but nonetheless, moving averages are showing me bearish. My daily pivots this entire week has been lower. We're trading below the daily pivot. Where do I short this from? If we get a push up to these levels right here and the 80 stays bearish, I will look for potential shorts from that level right there. That is exactly what I'm waiting for. Otherwise, if we start dropping lower from these Asia highs, I will start looking for potential sells at the Asia lows, with a very keen eye on this round number at 12200. That is the level that I'm looking at there. We've got 10 seconds. Markets are about to open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Round 1 fight. Last one, and then I'm going to head over to Keeks to give his analysis on GU. Euro USD closing bearish. I was bullish yesterday. Closing bearish below that level right there. Break of structure. Closing marginally into this range right here. So if we stay below 10669, this zone right here, this is your probable range for the day. I can only get bullish if we can do something like this on the lower time frames and we start trading back above this 10668 8 level. Otherwise, I'm bearish, jumping down to the 5-minute time frame. Let's quickly look at what we've got going on. There's that key level. Here's our weekly pivot level. We tested it on Monday, I believe. Monday we tested it, Tuesday, Wednesday. And are we going to get that flush? I think we are going to get that flush. 80 is starting to crack and fizzle. And very, very nice trade potentially from here. I'm bearish. I'm looking for sells. I don't want to buy this market. Yesterday I wanted to buy it. I caught some buys in the afternoon. I know some of you caught the buys as well according to our plan. But this right here, this is where I want to short it. I'll only potentially flip my bias above Asia highs. Only way I can flip my bias is if we start trading above here. Other than that, I'm going to wait for my sells. Euro JPY, let's just look at it from a daily perspective. Daily, massive breakout to the upside. One bearish candle does not dictate that we're going to start turning around. But I am still bullish on this market, but with the expectation of it being Friday, that we can push bearish to start correcting this massive move to the upside. And 5-minute, let's quickly look at the 5-minute and see where we are. Still within the Asia range. 80 is still bullish. It is still showing me bullish momentum. Nothing showing me any signs of slowing down to the upside. How do we execute on this? Let's wait for Asia lows to be taken. Let's patiently wait for price to get back above the daily pivot, above the Asia highs, and then we can start trading this back to the upside. Keeks, GBP USD. Let's go over to Keeks. I'm just going to run to the toilet quick. We've got 15-minute shuffle anyways, so Keeks, give it to the lads. I'll be back in 90 seconds.
Alright guys, so again, GBP USD for me is kind of at that flip area now. Like, it's on the money there, but again, this really is tough now considering all the news we had come in from the dollar. So reason being, we are now at this key level, but as you guys can see, we've rejected. Anytime you can see we have had that rejection and closed back above, we've always shot back to the top side. Rejected, next day show it's up. Where's another one? Rejection, next day shoots up. Rejection. So every time we've been in the zone and literally rejected above it, we've gone back the next day. So it is quite a powerful area on the charts. But again, now you just have to keep things in mind, because as I say, so yeah, you had your closures below, which obviously you had all that downward momentum. So yes, we came in with all this momentum, but we still managed to close above it. So for me, what I'd love to see is something like over here, we start holding over this. So you can see we are now holding this level over here. So if we draw this out here, We can do this. We can pay attention to this line as well. So we start dropping down to the 1 hour. We can start seeing where price is starting to hold it. You can see it nice and clear. We were trading below, got back above, held it as support, but nice big push over here, came for the retest, and now start holding again. Keep in mind, I did say the GDP came out giving strength for the dollar, so not for the dollar, for the pound this morning as well. So I really do think this can be the time we can see things change. We are already back above Asia highs and holding there for the whole day. So anything can happen here. Obviously our daily pivot and EQ is right up there. If we start trading something like this, guys, if we can get above the daily pivot, I think we definitely can start trading up, as this can be a very, very big move, even just going back to the weekly pivot. So definitely something to keep our minds on and keep an eye out for. If we go to the 4 hour, you guys can see same thing. Weekly pivot will definitely be our target. If we start going bullish, 100% we go back to weekly pivot. But again, the big question is, can the pound do that with the strength that the dollar is showing? That is the big one we are trying to figure out right now.
As a brothers sometimes fight. Are you bullish?
I want to be bullish, but I was saying to the guys, the big thing is I just don't know if I can be bullish against the dollar right now.
They're gonna seem. Have you scheduled the pod?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Put it on. Chad, yeah, we had a talk in the office. Things got a little bit loose this week. We're gonna tighten things up. I definitely want you guys to know that trading is ultimately the core of what we do here, and I think we got a little bit sidetracked this week. So believe it when I tell you that is the main focus here. Like, the rest is a sideshow, but we are locked in and ready to go. And Kiggs, how are you feeling Friday? It's been a week. It has been a
It
week.
has definitely been a week.
It has been a week. Chad, I'm going to do a giveaway today as well. I'm actually going to do two. I'm going to do one for the guys in the Discord that raided the other Discord, and then I'm going to do one for you guys in here as well. I want you guys to go on this latest IG post that I made, do that giveaway live on stream before we end today. I'm going to pick one of those comments, random comment picker. I'm going to give away $5,000 Vault Funder account. So go onto my IG, Chris_MarketBull, that one right there. Go drop your comment. What keeps you going after taking losses? And let's talk about it. Let's give away an account today. And also, if you're on there, like the post, give it a quick like, just a quick little heart, and little heart there. Leave your comment, and let's give away an account today. So, morning, Chad. I hope everyone is feeling well. It has been a week, like we've mentioned. Hope everyone is still in the game. Everyone is still here. My trading challenge account took a knock. Almost finishing it on Monday, being up 9.3% to, I haven't even checked. Let's quickly look at it. This is the real part of trading nobody talks about, that correction. Check it out. Literally for 2 weeks now, been edging so close to that 10% level, and now sitting at 5.6%. 5.6, so it is a little bit of a pullback there, but no stress. If you guys saw the previous challenge I did on my fund at FX, I had a minus 4.5% day, and we still finished that challenge. Yesterday, taking this Euro USD buy. If I took profits, this week would have looked completely different. I would have only been down 2%, but this is also another good thing to talk about. I told Mo I took the buys. I was looking for the buys yesterday. Let me just see if I can see the history here. Right there. You guys know my drill. 1 to 1, I get out. Why did I not take my 1.5%? Because I was trying to swing this because it's been a bad week and I changed my plan. The plan was never to become a swing trader. 1 to 1s, that is what I've been preaching. Why am I trying to swing it? Because I've had a bad week and I think one trade is going to eliminate all those losses. 15 pips, that is where I should have been out. My 15k done and dusted. But again, why did I start these streams? To teach you guys, or to be a help, or not teach even, for me to be an example of what it takes to be a trader, to show you guys the good, the bad, the ugly, what we go through. We're not trying to sell you anything. We are purely here to share our experience in the market. The day that we try and plaster up our faults or whatever, that's the day we should stop doing this. Yesterday as well, I shouldn't even have taken this Euro USD buy yesterday morning. It was not according to my plan. The 80 was not bullish, it was bearish. It was trading below the moving averages. Why the fuck did I take it? Because I am a cunt and I had FOMO. That is as simple as that. That is as real as it gets. Keegan was in a beautiful GU buy. I had FOMO, and it happens, guys. So that's why I say it's a good learning curve. That
It took a good solid day for first to genuinely be like, it was for.
no, it was FOMO. It was 100, but that's why I say the day that I try and plaster up and saying, oh, it was in my plan, that wasn't in my plan. The guys that know me, that I should have never taken that trade. So, but it happens, and that's why I say we've got holes in our armor and we go through it. But anyways, guys, good morning. Jason, Louis, Jex, Will, Shawnee, good morning. Sphinx, good morning, my brother. Sia, the kid, the Don, Charles, Radebe, JC, good morning. Waden, Nathan Williams, good morning, my brother. JC, again on the Crypto Master. Pai Soon, Jadipai, I don't know if I butchered that. Good morning. Sean, good morning. HW, Ultimokar, Daniel, Goodkinas. Neil Estrazen, good morning. Anime World. Tsepo, good morning, my brother. Taking it easy today. Weekly detox. Thank goodness it's Friday. Thank goodness we are alive and well. Trevor Martins, Joseph, Mario, Hussein, Ashi, good morning. Do I believe in moon cycles? I don't believe in moon cycles. I just believe you need to use your eyes. But if you can use it successfully, no. So can you explain what's basically going on in the office? What I mean, does everyone trade in that office? And obviously you all split the rent. Just curious as see other people there as well. Stian, that is absolutely got nothing to do with you, how we split the rent. I think focus on what we do here and focus on your own rent. B1, good morning, brother. Flex, Street Workout, Phil, Tew Tao, Devon, Mies, Facts, always trying to split the facts. Akram, Sam, Susie, good morning. Keenan, good morning, my beautiful brother with that beautiful shiny dome, with that beautiful beard. Andreas Breitenbach, good morning, Asan. And Tina Satini, as always, pleasure. MS, good morning, my brother. Swinger, no. One thing I've picked up on is managing the losses. I used to make big losses thinking it will reverse, but cutting them short has been really useful. Exactly, Steve L. If I didn't cut my losses this week, this 3% that I'm down, 3.5 would have been 7%. So it's all about managing losses. Keeks, did I answer that guy incorrectly asking how do we split the rent here? Or was that the right answer?
It's not being rude, but it's the same thing. Like, how much money?
Incoming mail.
It's the same thing. Like, you can go ask someone like now because you watch us. Ask him what his salary is. What does that have to do with you?
Sepelele demo life morning beast. Always, brothers. Always. That demo life hits different. David Govender. Good morning, my brother. Nice views on the US30 today. Had a good short on it yesterday. Aki Ezekiel. Good morning, gents and ladies. I don't know why only the gents greet us. I know there's some ladies watching from the side, and they're not coming for me. They're coming for this young, handsome dude next to me right here. So at least we've got that.
I'll take one for the team.
But Chatadonia, what a day, what a week. And it has been absolutely wild. The emotions, the wins, the losses. And please believe me when I say taking losses is not fun. I've told you before, if you're as competitive as I am, you absolutely fucking hate losing. Even if it's a friendly golf game or a friendly squash game, you don't want to lose. And that is unfortunately just in me. And I can tell you, Keegan is exactly the same. Keegs, you like losing?
Not a moer. I'm a kak loser. Yes.
We'll fight tooth and nail to win. So, but Chatadonia, P1, your TP smash yesterday. What's your target? Keenan, my bold bearded friend. When we're trading together, we're waiting for Chris to come to Vault HQ. Arise and shine, brother. Franklin, let me know if you have been sorted. Let me just I'll check now. I want to make 100% sure you are sorted, my brother. Correct answer, Chris. I think that's personal. Yes, only 0.5 away, phase 1. Beautiful, Lucas. And guys, one thing about having a losing week, I shouldn't even be thinking about making this money back. My focus should be on following my process, how I look for trades, how I manage trades. The focus should not be on how quickly do I make this money back. That is not the focus at all. If that is your focus, you're going to go into a bad spiral. German 30, we didn't look at German 30, did we? No, German 30, I'm bullish. We've got that nice daily wick fill. We closed back inside of this range right here. This is the range that we are trading in. And I'm bullish on the day. 5-minute time frame. Weirdly enough, I'm bullish on German 30, but bearish on the other ones. Daily pivot right here. Monitor this level there. I think it's going to start cracking if it comes back to Asia highs. So if you want to look for buys, your daily pivot, and you can target the weekly highs easily there. So German 30 for you guys. Am I even on my screen? I am on my screen. Very true. If you focus on getting the money back, you will lose even more. 100%. Focus on the process. I don't know what you guys did with my chair. They're like,
We didn't do anything to the chair.
they're setting that you guys.
It's funny that you've been on that chair the whole morning.
Yeah.
But this whole morning I've been.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what you guys did. Chad, we've got a podcast coming up 1 o'clock. Yeah. All of the G's in the office. We are doing a podcast every Friday. 2 G's and Co.
No, just G's and
Okay, it's just G's and Co. No 2 G's.
Oh, bro,
Just
people
Gs.
don't like the 2Gs anymore.
I'm slowly easing myself in.
Yeah, this man's trying to become one of the Gs.
Hey guys, why don't we make it 3 G's?
Yeah, this man.
What's today's pod topic? It's going to be a lot of things, guys. So what we talked about in the office is when we do the live streams, it's all serious, and we're getting back to that all seriousness, all about the trading, not making it any more loose than it should be. and the pod on Fridays where we can literally let our hair loose a bit. We can crack some jokes.
Sorry, we're going to discuss some of the trades we took. And
Why is your mic not plugged in, my brother in Christ? Plug in your... No, plug in your mic. Why did I spend thousands of rands on mics? Yeah, go. Alright, see you later. How old are you, Chris? How old do you think I am, Sam, Susie? Give me a guess, and if you guess right, I'll maybe even
Black
give
magic
you...
is in.
Is he in?
He's
Check
in.
your mic.
you guys, please just let me know if you can hear me. Alright, morning team. I've got my mic plugged in. I just need you guys to let me know if you can hear me, and we'll be good.
Chris, what's your thoughts on GJ?
Mo, why is this? Oh, check it now. Right, you like, talk loud,
Like you normally do, yeah.
Talk loud.
Isn't this how I normally talk?
No, bro.
You're like yelling at us all the time.
Nah, bro, you guys want me to speak.
Talk.
Let's see. Won't take his first trade. Forgets about this trade as we speak. Nah, I'm here, guys. I'm here. Chris is on his screen with the mic, but I think this is fine.
Bro, I don't think your mic is coming through, honestly.
Okay, let's see.
I honestly don't think your mic is coming through. Maybe it's not plugged in. 100% not plugged in. Just check it. Because it's literally picking up through Keegan's mic. Sorry, Keeks, you say GJ.
Yeah,
I'm bearish.
you bearish.
Yeah. Are you
Um,
bullish?
EJ?
Bullish on EJ though.
Yeah, we go again.
So here's my thing. GJ, I said I can only get bullish if we hold this 185 level. So where we are now,
Yeah.
185, if we can retest that, we haven't tested at 185, so we've been trading above it. So if we come back something like this and we hold the 185 and we then come back above the Asia highs, I will be bullish. But other than that, I'm relatively bearish.
Alright. Alrighty.
But also, if you look at it, if we start trading above the daily pivot, then obviously I can't be bearish on it.
Yeah.
So
'Cause that's what I'm waiting for. I've got that zone marked out and the daily pivot's like just above that.
yeah, so if I've this for me, no man's land. I wouldn't do anything in here. Let's call it this zone here, Keeks, check here. This zone here, I won't do anything in this zone. Buys above there, potential sells below there if the 80 starts flipping bearish.
Yeah, I get you.
Introducing the show makes
Mo talks. Let's see if Mo is back on.
Ethan chooses to spin his life around with the hopes of running his own race. Spinners in danger.
Can you guys hear Mo? I don't know, Mo. I can't even see you register on the feed here.
Okay, let me tap the mic. Check it out. Nothing.
No, Moski, you're not on, my brother.
Okay, I'll sort it out. I want to get the thumbnail out. Let me start the
Did you use the right code?
Yeah, because the other one's rolled up there.
Okay, there you are now. You didn't release that.
Oh,
Talk.
there's a button I need to press.
There's Mo coming through.
Okay.
Hey, Mo Money's in the
playing hard to
chat.
Hey, good morning, guys. I'm here now.
The producer
yeah.
didn't know there was a button you had to press.
Oh, you see now. You see
I
now.
have to
They were
talk.
making me scream into the mic, by the way. So I'm here.
Yo, I have
I'm
to
speak.
tighten the strings here, guys.
Uh,
The ship was
No,
getting
this is the
loose.
last week for that, hey? Like today's the last day.
No,
which is-
excellence. That's what we always preach. This week was an absolute fucking shit show in here. Guys leaving before the stream starts. I'm gonna be out quickly. 10 minutes. We don't have cameras. Come back. Next week, everything tight. Excellence. What do you think, Mo?
That's shade.
Huh?
I know you're throwing shade at me.
No,
or
no,
Keegan, 'cause
I'm
Keegan
just,
did
I'm
lead
just
this
saying
week.
we were very loose this week.
No, that's true.
We started streams not late. We were on time, but the one day we didn't have a camera. The one day we couldn't. We started the stream. We ended it. We restarted it.
The one day, I think for 2 days, we didn't have Keegan's screen also.
Yeah, 2 days.
So it's
and then my
been-
screen as well.
Running repairs. Running repairs.
Ooh.
Someone said I lied on my CV. I did. I'm joking.
Chris, bro, looks young and old at the same time.
Chris, I might go long on EU.
All right.
What do you think? Are you gonna have a wager again? Yeah.
No, your longs could definitely. It's Friday. We've been trading down since Monday, but I am bearish on the day.
On EU.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, we go again.
And you? You're bullish?
I'm bearish on
bullish.
the day.
Oh, no. This is tough for me because it's like, who do I go with? And see what happened when I went
Can we
with
be
both of you
proactive
yesterday?
getting those likes to match the views? Yeah, guys, I would really appreciate it as soon as you join. For the new guys, if you have not yet liked, hit that subscribe button. We will really appreciate it. Mo under fire. Mo didn't lie on his CV. I think all of us got loose. It's not just Mo. I think we got into a bit of a comfort zone, and we lost track of the grind a little bit. So, but we are back. Things like that happen. We've been grinding day in, day out. So it is going to happen, but we just need to make very sure we keep things tight. Otherwise, if things start to loosen up, it can become a shit show very quickly. What do you say, Keeks?
I back it. I agree.
Mo, what do you say, my brother?
No, definitely. Definitely.
Mo's like, yep, I'm with you.
Got a lead from the front. Or what do you say?
Nah, we all in consensus here.
Sometimes.
Well, for this topic, yes.
Have you guys heard of Lux Algo? I've not heard of it. Tell us a little bit more about Lux Algo.
Luxorino.
We're going to talk about Mo having a tough week as well on the pod. I'm going to save that for the podcast. We're going to chat a little bit about that, losses. Chad, losses are part of it. We don't seek losses, believe me. Losses are most probably the cuckest thing you have to deal with as a trader. And you shouldn't even make it a habit. The habit should be, you are going to go through periods of losses, but it should never become a habit. You shouldn't ever be comfortable with losing. It should just fuel you to be better each and every day. Do we look for sales above Asia highs? We look for whatever our system tells us. And if your system tells you to look for sells, that is what you do. Keep it tight is right. Office Kegels. Bro, I don't even know what is a Kegel, but it just sounds rough. Yes, he has cool indicators, core culture. It's okay, functions. I bought it a month ago and honestly think it is underpriced. Beautiful. James, did you say you are bullish on GJ? Keegan is bullish on GJ. I am bearish. Keegs is bullish. I think he entered buys.
I want to enter EU. I just want to see how this candle closes.
Okay, I'm going to throw over to his screen. There's no hiding here, Keegs.
Nah, I'm literally now waiting for the. It's 1 minute till the candle closes. I'm going to enter.
So Kiga Darius, he's gonna give you guys something here today.
Hopefully, we can end this week nicely. Just don't run away from us. Just stay here.
Kegels are something women do to keep their area tight. What area?
What?
Isn't it an exercise like a sort of exercise? Kegels.
What area?
I've heard you say that.
Ashy, talk to us. Is Ash? I still don't know if Ashy is a guy or a chick. Like I've asked it many times. I don't know what Ashy. What am I doing? US session by Lux, Algo and Trading View. No
Alright,
bottom wick.
guys, I've entered longs on EU. Let's see if I get clapped again. Or not again.
Okay, stop loss 10 pips, 15.
15.
15 pip stop for Keeks. Weekly pivot. Target most probably 106.93. And then after that, I think you can go to 107.30. Right, Keeks took longs here on EU. Keeks, may the volume be with you, my brother. Kiga Darius. At the moving average, I would say you guys need to just monitor these Asia highs. You don't necessarily want price coming all the way back down. You can even get something like this happening, but you would then want price to come back up. But I back it. Only thing for me is we haven't created any structure there. Maybe I'll join you guys if we retest Asia highs and we hold it.
You know, with the way the markets have been this week, I don't even want to watch this trade. It's like one of those trades, like I just feel antsy actually trading it.
Kegels are for your a ladies box. I don't know, bro. You need to tell us what it, I don't know what is a ladies box.
He's not even trying.
Kegels strengthen your pelvic floor, helps you lacquer in the bedroom. Checks, my brother. My brother. Guy, Canadian, USA, ice hockey fanatic. Ashy is the hockey nickname. Oh, so Ashy is the guy. Keegan ain't lost in 3 weeks according to his stream yesterday. Keegan never loses. He wins or he learns. We don't lose here. No, somebody talking about... Sorry, fellas, I'm all jokes because it's Friday and I basically never enter trades on Friday. We've had some of our best trades on Friday. What's a trade? Just got to the stream. I don't see the pair. Euro USD, brother. Keegan entered longs right here. This man has got balls the size of basketballs. That's why he's wearing a very loose pair of pants today. You guys can't even see the balls this man has. Huh?
Just does it naturally. Like,
Yeah,
you don't
like-
think about it.
You should talk so naturally, Chris. You don't even try.
Yeah, no. We... Lol, money and peace of mind makes you lacquer. Anton, yo, where's Anton?
No.
Our mascot.
No, that man.
You guys don't even realize Anton is one of our biggest fans. We actually pay Anton just to test the consistency of the chat and also your loyalty. Anton actually loves the 2Gs trading. Did you tell the guys yesterday we pay Anton to come in here?
No, I didn't mention it to you.
Okay.
Isn't Anton the guy you're just such a huge fan of?
Yeah.
You speak very highly of him.
No, Anton is actually like, he's a fanboy.
He loves Keegan.
Yeah, he's
Keegan
a
loves him
fanboy.
back.
I think yesterday was the first time he came on for the opening bell.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I remember you were still shooting your trade.
Yeah, but you said you're going to give him $100 a week if he comes on my stream as well.
Okay.
Remember, you said $100 for your stream, but
No, but I
We
was
should
saying
bring
this
him
is
to
like,
the office. Do you know where he's based? I would love for you to meet Anton.
he's a internet friend.
Okay.
are you allowed to hold trades over the dudes? What was chat today? Our chat is rough. In fairness, Anton is here almost. Bro, Anton is one of our biggest and loyal fans. You can hold trades over weekend. Isn't Anton Joash? No. We're struggling to get Joash on.
I think Joash can at least speak a little bit better English than Anton.
But Chad, I think while we wait for our trades, I just want to do something. Looks good, so we can. All right, Chad, we're back. All about that demo life. What do you know about that demo life?
It's all about the profits, guys. Being a quarter pip in profits.
I just
You know how it
need
is.
to do this. All right. Shut it down, yeah. Let's go. I'm not even joking. I wanted Dare to Dream. No ways you're rocking that. Bro, we are rocking this.
Look at you guys matching. Best of bombas here.
They say it's fake. Guys don't want to face reality, yeah.
Geeks, where would you go break even?
Probably 6,820.
6-8. Oh yeah, there's 6,820. Demolition of Demo Life. Bro, when are we launching the signals so that we can also just trade demo?
It's gonna have to come soon.
Right, Shadadonia. I'm still looking. I'm still waiting. 185. That's my level for GJ. I'm just going to set some alerts right there. See if I can end the week strong. Round number. Keegan looks like he's that guy from 13 Reasons Why in Prison. And he's got the tats as well.
13 reasons why the guy in prison.
Is that the new uniform? We're gonna try it out. I heard orange cells, so let's see. 2220 GU. What are we doing on GU? We bearish. Let's see, Chad. No fear when we enter. Euro USD. As mentioned, this level right here, guys, that is your level to monitor. If you can hold that level, I think you guys are solid. You just look on the daily quickly. Daily. Yeah. Not trying to be an Anton, but I'm waiting for EU longs at 106.695. No, sweet brother, like we said, this is our trades, and if our trades line up with your analysis, then be sure to take them with us. Otherwise, if it is not according to your analysis, don't Don't just follow blindly. If you took the opposite end of my trades this week, you would have made money. So if I enter a trade today, 100% take the other side of it. If I choose to go short on gold, you better be long. Because just statistically, if I do my statistical analysis for the week, you can see that I'm trending bearish. So feel free to fade me this week. Don't even feel bad about it. If I'm going to sell GJ down here at 185, be sure you enter longs. Merch link, fellas, drop that. No, we're kidding. We wanted to do a skit, but we're just going to stop the beef for a while. Just refocus our energy on what we're doing. Like, it's fun and all that, but I do think we don't want to be classified as the jokers of the industry. People tend to want to follow because they don't want to put the hours in. This is why signal providers will keep on. 100%, Derek, we don't provide signals here. I'll just share my live trading, and hopefully you can learn something out of my winners and my losers alike. But Chris, we in this together, my brother. I appreciate you, Manuel. I appreciate each and every one of you for sending messages this week, for supporting us, and even everyone on here, guys. I wanna honestly say this streaming journey has been one of the most fulfilling journeys I've ever been on. So I really appreciate all of you joining us, even though we've had a tough week. Or not we. I think Keegan has had a pretty solid week, but me personally, according to my strategy, I've had a tough week. So I really appreciate all of you being here. Chris joining Minty and I with the trade, always going opposite, 100%. Chris, does your rule of no weak candle apply on the London Open as well? Yes, it does. Yeah, boy. Chris, German 30, what do you about buys broke above? So I don't trade German 30, but I said this is the level for you to monitor. So you don't want it necessarily to go deeper than that, but buys from this level here. You guys don't understand how nice it has been taking L's on here. We're tired of the lies. Yes, bro. I hope to get back to winning ways. Like the L's, like we've learned the lesson. We're gonna talk a little bit more about the lessons, but believe me, the L's eat at me. The L's, like I want to stay awake at night, go through it. No, I'm kidding. Now, here's my thing. I went through it. The only L I'm not happy with is this one here yesterday. All of the other L's I would take in a heartbeat. This L right here, the Euro USD buy I took there yesterday. That's the only L I'm not happy with. So the other ones, they according to my plan, I managed risk, but this one here was FOMO. That's a bad loss for me. But all the other ones, the trade just didn't work out. So it's not even personal or anything. I had the best of both L's and W's this week. Nathan's been tuned in for what happened to the white Zulu trader. He is now the white L trader up until next week. And you guys better believe when I'm back on the winning streak, myself and Keegan is going to do a beautiful video for you guys on Instagram. You guys don't even know what we've got planned. Good morning from Russia. My goodness, brother. Good morning, Michelle. I didn't even know Russia had internet for the public. In all honesty, I've made more money here than I've lost, so it's more like a retracement. Beautiful, brother. Keys, I'm going to take this shit off. yours on. It's just getting quite hot in here.
It's actually quite thick, eh?
Yeah, especially if you've got two shirts on. You know, I'll put, like, even if it's 2 degrees or what's it outside. Do a little pit bomb. I still want to understand that comment where Chris looks young and old at the same time. Demo life is thick. Demo life is like your ex-girlfriend. You don't want any part of that. Nothing wrong with demo. It's just a major issue if you demo flexing. If you're flexing demo accounts on IG to sell shit, that is, I've got an issue with that. Big issue. So Chad, GU, I'm looking at this level for potential shorts. The morning shuffle is now officially come and gone. I'm gonna set some alerts right here. 12225, and if we can start breaking below there, I'm gonna try my luck with some shorts on GBP USD. Asia lows are still intact. We've got this relatively equal low structure there that we can target. Also, if you look at it, we've got the 12200 level there. I'm happy to take this. We're below that daily key level right here. If you look at it on the daily, let me just show you guys. We're still trading below that daily key level. However, we've got this minor level right here that we need to monitor right there, 122.16, but we'll be very quick on the trigger. That's also very close to the Asia low. So 3 minutes, 20 seconds left. Break of structure down here, and I will be going for it. So just letting you guys know. Also, I would need DXY now to start breaking structure back to the upside. So if DXY can't start creating bullish market structure, because from these highs, if you go on a line chart, you will see that from these highs we are creating bearish market structure. So I would need some type of shift. So let's just monitor this. Otherwise, if we continue lower, then very probable you're going to see a deeper pullback on the dollar all the way back to this weekly pivot level. But let's see. So if I execute short here, you better believe you should be going long. Keegs, there's a nice long opportunity for you on GBP USD.
What's this man doing?
Crazy slippage on EU with Volt. I bought at and I entered my trades at what the market has not even touched. I'm amazed. First trade back with Volt and not impressed. Bro, currencies on Volt is not great. I've mentioned it before. And if you're trading indices, phenomenal. Currencies, it is not great. That is still being sorted. We transferring over to new service over the weekend. So car culture, I can't even disagree with you on that. Contacted a live chat, said no for a fact they're not going to do anything. I'll make sure they do something. Car culture, send me a WhatsApp please. Not a WhatsApp, send me an IG with your CU. I will make sure to it that something gets done. You better believe that. So send me an IG with your CU number. I'll make sure to check it out. Silly question, but what is a pivot level? It is just the equilibrium of the previous day, more or less. So you are the public indicator, yes. Fade me and you will make money. Cheers, Boot. Cheers, man. Is Keegs managing EU? No, he's still in his trade.
So it's literally like break even. There's nothing really to manage at this point.
It's still relatively close. Asia highs, that's the only level you need to monitor. Alright, GU guys. Alright, I'm gonna take a punt on this short if I can find GU. Oh my god, do I not even have GU on here? How is that possible? That is not good. I'll wait for a top wick on GU, then I will execute. I'll just wait for a little pullback back to this level right here, and then I will execute the shorts if we get the pullback. Because now obviously it looks like okay, let's just monitor it. I was a little bit slow on the trigger here. 2 pips, fuck my life. Anyway. Right, GJ, I cannot short. We are still trading above the 80, so I can't short here. I'll just monitor it there. EU, as mentioned, just monitor that level right there. DXY back inside of the Asia range. There you had that minor structure break. So just watch for the pullback, and if we hold Asia lows, then I think we can start going higher. Otherwise, if we start rejecting this level right here on DXY, I do think you need to monitor session lows, and if the session lows gets taken, very, very high probability you're going to see price come all the way back down here to the daily pivot.
Yeah, what I'm going to do though, guys, is if this 5 minute closes bearish under that little bit of support there, I'll close it out, purely because this is a trade I want to have that flush. So even though it's not really deep, okay, it is like pushing a bit now, but again, it wouldn't be what I wanted to see out of the trade, so I'll just cut it short then.
Right, Chad, it is running hours way too slow. Not really running. What is this? 2 pips? 3 pips. GJ at that 185 level. 80 is still relatively bullish. What I'll wait for is I'll wait for a pullback back to Asia highs, and if we can start getting below the 200 year, I will start looking for potential shorts. Yeah, and if this thing runs and I miss it from this level right here, I will potentially monitor something like this. So don't stress. EU, this level right here, that's that key daily level we mentioned. If you go on the daily, that is that flat body resistance area there, potentially support. So I would say that is your level to monitor. That guitar is slapping. I'm in EU now. Oh my goodness, Geeks MS is in EU.
Alright guys, I'm closing EU.
No, really?
No, really. I said if that 5 minute
Oh.
close bearish under that.
I
I'm
thought
killing
because
it.
MS.
No,
Okay.
no.
Right, Geeks managed risk -6 pips. Hey, this would have been lacquer. But anyway, let's see. Still have this daily key level down there. Where would you have gone break even if you entered, Chris? So on GU, I would have gone break even, yeah. Asia lows. So if I entered there, as soon as we tap into these Asia low levels, I would have gone break even. And also, I actually lie. I would have gone break even, yeah. At 6 pips, I know it's aggressive, but the reason I say that, this little dotted line here, that line right there is that daily key level. You see that level here? Let's be very precise. It's not a major level, but you can see if you look left with me on the daily time frame, you can see that there has been massive reaction off that level. So again, at any stage can price get some type of reaction of it, and I would say that would have been my stops to break even right there, because this thing can completely turn around as soon as it hits that level.
I must say, I think next week is going to be much better because there's news. Like, I'm making the decision now. If there's not news anymore, I'm not trading. Because sitting around waiting for these little things, letting the markets do what they want to do, has screwed us over this week.
All right, Chad, as mentioned, I don't know who took shorts there, but it's not lining up with my analysis. You can see that the 80 is still bullish, but I mentioned that key level right there. Exactly the same with NAS. Beautiful, beautiful drop off that key level. Nothing difficult, nothing special about the analysis, just purely looking at ranges where we've previously traded in and just marking it out. And again, don't have to be a rocket scientist. Our daily bias is bearish. We said we're in this range. We're expecting price. Maybe not today. Maybe even today. Maybe Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index comes out bad and we do flush to the downside. But anyways, that is Euro JPY. Euro JPY. You bullish on EJ? Eh?
Yeah. Are you bullish?
Yeah. Another L in London. Nah, bro, not another L. Keegan gave you guys a like 35 pip trade yesterday on GU. You guys literally caught it at at the pivot. I think it did 35, Keeks?
Yeah, it was a beautiful trade.
33 pips. So I closed out my trade for minus 10. So you were still net positive 20, depending on where you closed. But GBP AUD is bullish. If it's bullish, it is bullish, my brother. NZD USD. 3 minutes for EU to turn bullish, or we close going back to work. Finger crossed, brother.
Well, we already did close, so if you're holding, that's your decision.
Right, DXY slowly but surely grinding its way back up. I am bullish on the day. I missed my entry there, but we'll see. Maybe we catch something below the Asia lows. This would have been my break-even point. EU, if EU can get below here, I'll be looking for sells. Other than that, see gold. Let's see gold. Yeah, I said I'm bearish on the day. I said monitor that level there. Asia lows, daily pivot. And I also said if you go on the daily time frame, this is the probable range for it. But also you can have something like this happen today. You could either find support at yesterday's open to push up to 1970, and next week we start trading lower, or what you're going to see this daily candle do is do something like this, and then it's going to close back into this range. Looking left with me, then it's going to close back into that range. But I gave you the analysis. I'm bearish on the day. If you are in the shorts, monitor this zone right here. You don't want to see price hanging around that level. You want to see price get through it. Maybe something like this, little support being created, and then the flush. Okay, yeah, don't just say NZD, USD, just say do analysis on it, and I will gladly do it for you, my brother. Let's go to NZD, USD. NZD, USD, let's quickly look at the daily time frame. Alright, daily time frame is bearish. We are trading inside of these ranges right here. We've got two probable ranges that we can be trading in. Just looking to my left, I'm just marking out two of the most probable ranges. So probable, you're gonna come and fill out that range right there, unless you start flipping bullish, trading back above 5895. Otherwise you are going lower to 587. 5 minute time frame, let's look at it. Where are we trading? We took Asia highs right there. We're trading below the moving averages. We are trading below the daily pivot. The accumulation distribution is trading below the 200, so sells could be on. Technically, if you follow the way we trade, you should have been in sells from here already. Right there, you should have actually gone break even at these Asia lows, but it is looking bearish up until we get back above here. Then can you only start looking for buys, otherwise bearish. I'm not gonna look at USD Swedish krona, brother. Sorry. Sup, brothers? And if it's buying, great. That is according to your plan. Then it is buying. Much appreciated for that analysis. It is a pleasure, my brother. All love from the 2G's compound. Kings, I just want to know, do you guys split the rent?
Yes.
Mo, do we split the rent? How does the rent work? I see a lot of guys in the office.
Everyone who comes in here pays their share.
Why is that even relevant? Obviously that guy has dropped off the stream, but why would you, like, what will that actually bring to know how we pay the rent here?
Yeah, some people amazing with the questions they ask.
Mo, where's my phone, broski? I just want to send a message quick. Thanks, my brother.
What?
What do you think, Chris?
I like it. I dig.
Keegan, check your phone. Did I invite you as a collaborator or did I just tell you?
So you know, bro. Let's see. I think you just tagged me. Yeah.
No, I gotta redo it. I wanna collaborate with everyone.
Yeah, because I don't have a option to.
That's okay. I'll sort it out. Damn, this feels bleak.
And EU goes up. Been holding still in profit, but I analyzed that it can still go up. Morning, guys. What is the profit targets on Vault Funder for phase 1 and phase 2? Craig, please check the website, brother. I gotta get you to read. It is on the website. Gotta get you to read. If you can read, you're gonna go quite far in life. Love your streams, guys. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with us. Greetings from Germany. Good morning, Marku. Good morning. Chad, we're gonna do that giveaway close to the end of the stream. As mentioned, go on to my IG page, comment on that losing video that I posted yesterday, why you still keep on trading after losses, what keeps you in the game, why do you still trade, and I'm going to do that giveaway a little bit later. One of those comments, Chris_MarketBull on IG, go and drop a comment, and Keeks re-entries on EU.
EU, I don't know. I might look at like maybe, I was looking at EJ and that thing just like shot off without us. But yeah, I don't know about EU because again, the more and more I say, like I back the setup, but
No
I don't
news.
back the dollar.
Oh,
With no news, I don't know how we're gonna get past the dollar. Like Chris and I repeated it, and obviously Big Daddy Powell answered the question for us yesterday. But we said like if dollar closed bullish yesterday, we were gonna be shocked.
And it did.
And it did. Obviously, Powell giving us the answer to why it did, but it's just, and I think that also adds to why this has been such an insane week. Like markets have been difficult this week.
Chris, need your phone.
You can take it. My only thing is, Keeks, yesterday, if you look on a daily, guys, daily on DXY, yesterday taking out the daily lows, you had that rejection. We were expecting price to trade in this range, and it completely flipped to take out this candle right here. So that is quite a bit of volume coming through. So never say never. Is this thing gonna close like this now today?
You know,
Like,
I literally wouldn't have words if it did.
imagine it does that.
I legit wouldn't have words if dollar goes bearish today. And that's the thing, like, I'm bullish technically on gold. I'm bullish on GU. I'm bullish on EU. I'm bullish on all these pairs, but I'm like, the dollar has screwed all of that up.
Oh,
I mean, like UJ I'm bullish on though, so I want dollar strength there. But yeah, it's just been a bit of a stuff up, honestly. I mean, there you go, EU right back down again. So yeah.
losses are part of the game. Hockey is an 82 game season. Imagine players quitting off. Bro, we'll never quit. But there'd be no teams finishing the season. Chris, GU is almost in your range. Yeah, but I didn't. So here's my thing. I wanted to execute there. At that stage, 80 was below. This pullback, see what happened here. That's why I didn't execute.
What do you think about the lows though, Chris? Equal lows. You got the low of yesterday.
Yeah.
Is
That's
the
why.
equal low of today. Like pinpoint candle closures equal. So if we go down there again, then you know what? I'll back Chris. I'll take shorts.
On GU.
Yeah. If we go down there now and we start testing those equal lows, I'm going short. Because that is just a magnet for price to go and break. And I think where's dollar now? Dollar's back at Asia high, so dollar can start getting that climb. Yeah, then GU goes to the ground.
Technically, we should be in UJ bars. But we missed our entry. Yeah. I was too dialed in here on GU. Alright, I would go break even. Whoever took the shorts that I wanted to take and I should have taken there, break even level. Go break even. I would have gone break even right there. That's that key level. Like I mentioned, at any stage from this level right here, you can do a complete 180 back to the upside. This is a massive, massive level in the market. You don't want price fucking around here. You literally want price to break through here and ultimately do something like this. So go break even. That is a big level. Don't mess around. If you get stopped out at break even, much better than this thing doing a green dildo and you are on the wrong side. Also, the reason for that is you can see the 80 here is up, down. So at any stage can the 80 also go like this. And we can actually start flipping around. It is Friday. So I'm just saying. Chris, sorry, but have you already done the draw for the Funder Challenge for those who are applicable for it? I just know we're going to do it at the end of the stream, just before we end. Ideas accumulation. Dollar strength doesn't make much sense with all the US economic uncertainty and our inability to reduce inflation. Screen all blurry, gents. I don't know. My screen's not blurry. We're getting trapped in the bubble. Your analysis on NAS. You can go back to the start of the stream, but I'm bearish. As mentioned, daily time frame closing back below this previous key area. I'm bearish on the day. I'm thinking we can target 14, say 1500 today. I also mentioned key levels to watch out for sales is this key level right there. So go back to the start of the stream, that first 25 minutes. I did a full analysis on indices where we said we are bearish and these are the key levels to monitor. Monitoring those key levels. Levels are key. Key levels should be used. Hi Chris, could you share your indicator details? Well, definitely, my brother. This one right here is this one here. Let me show you quickly. EMA 20, 50, 100, 200. That's the one I use. Asia range and kill zones by NSR group. That's the other one I use. Accumulation distribution with moving averages. That is the other one I use. And then pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. These are the settings that I use. You can screenshot it now. 3, 2, 1. I hope you screenshotted it. Then accumulation distribution settings. I turn off the 50. I only keep the 200 period moving average on. And I also thicken out my lines a bit here. So you can see the opacity and the line thickness. I just increased a bit. Let me give you 3 seconds there as well. 3, 2, 1. Screenshot. Hope you're done. But that is literally what I use. No, that's his resolution. Mine dropped to 244 moment and then just back to 1080p. Yeah, we should be fine. I got us a new switch and we are now getting our 500 plus megs per second. Geeks GJ, talk to me. Talk to me, brother. What are we doing?
I can't look at it till it's above that zone of mine as well. So that thing gets to daily pivot. I'd love to, but where it is now, I think, like you said, it's no man's land.
What's a good level to short on NASDAQ? You missed your level, brother. There was your level. That was a good level. Now you just chasing price, and you know what happens to people chasing price? They get hit by a bus from the side. So don't chase it, you missed it. Caught Nas from there. Beautiful Jex. Jex, my man. Anyway, the quality, despite the inconveniences, has improved a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. And any feedback, any positive criticism, please give it to us. We obviously want to improve everything as we go, but we are trying our best. Gigs, I'm going to throw over to your screen, then you can.
Go for it.
Over to Kiga Darius.
Alrighty, guys. So when we look at picture frame 1, we've got the dollar screwing everyone again. We've got a picture frame 2. We got gold melting. Another day. UJ, we have the beautiful buys that we all missed. I think some of you caught it though, so you guys are G's. When we go to EU, again, EU is actually really, really nice. I really like this trade. I want to take it, but I just don't know how we're going to beat the dollar. When we go over to EJ, I wanted to get in there, but
Fuck, bro.
the screen keeps switching off.
That's my bad.
EJ, I wanted to enter off the weekly resistance, but basically as you can see that just ran away. GU can flip, but I think most probable now is just to go with the dollar and see these equal lows be taken out, flush, and bang. So right now that's basically all I've got my eyes on. GJ doing its own thing again. As I said, I need to get above this zone over here. So once we are above this here, we can hold as support above the pivot, we can continue to go up. So until that happens, I can't do anything else, guys. And NAS and US30, I don't trade out of New York session. So really, really a slow, boring day today, honestly. But I mean, hey, that's a Friday. Can't expect anything else, especially no news, nothing. So,
You sound so discouraged, bro.
bro, I am, like, it's one of those days where I'm just like, yo, I'd love to just have a solid trade, end off the week, and then it's that typical Friday.
Yeah.
Like, when it's live, like, you're excited for Fridays. But trading, Fridays suck.
But you said next week's going to be better?
Yeah, so for me, like I said, I hate trading and there's no news in the market. So key thing this week is we had like 0 news every single day.
That's what
Like
happened.
there was nothing giving that push of volume into the markets.
I felt it as well, hey? I felt
Where
it as well.
next
Okay.
week, every single day, we've got red folder files, we've got big news events.
Okay.
I mean, Tuesday, the big daddy, we got CPR.
Yeah.
So next week, we've got a lot of juicy news coming out.
Okay. Yeah.
So next week should be a goodie.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I felt the energy this time around. It's like
Yeah.
it's a bit bleak. Plus all those L's we took. But that's fine. That's fine. It's character building week.
Oh, GU's coming for those equal lows. Is Chris gonna miss the trade? As I said, if dollar starts going, yeah, dollar can go for the highs. GU's gonna see that flash to the downside. More money.
Oh, sure. Go for it. You want to enter a trade?
Yeah, just
Okay.
because it's like right there now. So guys, if this 5-minute closes under there, I'm going for it.
You're in short, eh?
I'm in one time. GU shorts. Break it. Just break it. Let's see
GU
the
shorts.
What do you think, Chris?
I wanted to short, but I was too late to enter.
Oh, we're testing those equal lows now.
Let me see.
Can we get it, guys? We got 1 minute here.
Yeah, you would still be in if you went break, or I would have still been in. I would have been out here.
Yo, Kate is upset with me.
Why?
She says I didn't put up the photo she wanted. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna take it down the third down. Or second down.
No, I think I can do it. I think I can spruce it up real quick. Let's see. Some photo magic here.
Come on.
TP on GU, honestly, for the day could go all the way down here. 2182. I would honestly think you can get 40 pips on this. Let me see what is EU doing. But I missed my entry. Are you in?
I'm not in. Because basically we closed back above it. We tested the equal lows and closed back above.
I'll tell you guys what I'll do is I'm gonna do this. So you see that level, that key level we talked about? If we do something like this, we create some type of support, we reject that level, and then we break, then I will execute. Something like that, kids. Because see how we've been holding that level. So if we reject it, like every time, here's my thing. Oh wait, sorry guys, you can't see my screen. So I said, if we get something like this, there's that key level. So see yesterday, every time we closed below it, let me just show you, we immediately shot back up. See here, closed below, immediately shot back up. So if we reject it this time, then obviously this becomes a flip zone and price can go lower. Otherwise, you could get exactly the same happening here again. Something like that. So keep that in mind. So if we reject there, break structure lower, I'm in. My screen should be shared now.
I'm getting tuned, bro. Yeah, no.
I saw it and I wanted to tell you. Caitlin said she doesn't want the one with the bags under her eyes. And
You know, I did a little thing also on
but
Photoshop.
why
I
don't
was
you
like,
Photoshop like smooth it out?
no, I did to a certain degree, but then once you put on the black and white edit, it makes everyone look punchy. You get it? That's the point. That's the point of the black and white edit.
Caitlin
Yeah.
is gonna.
Caitlin, if you're watching, Moses is sorry.
She is watching. I can 100% tell you. I can 100% tell you. She is furious as fuck, bro. You better believe that.
That post needs to be sorted or this man's gonna
Oh
get
my
slapped. Reggie.
No, here's the thing though. I can't take it down again. You know, I was like, she says it's okay. I should just keep it up.
Oh.
Sigh.
For once, it is. I've been searching for Voltsigner, no profit targets. Craig, my brother, I gave you the site. I'm going to read through the site with you. And I'm going to show you the beauty of the EYES indicator. If you scroll down, profit target, nice and big there. Step 1, 10%. Profit target, if you go a little bit to the right, step 2, 5%. Step 3, when you fund it, there's no profit target. So please, my brother, please, 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 you got to use those eyes. I got to get you to use those eyes you've got. It is a God-given gift. All right, let's see what else is there. She looks hot. Oh my goodness. Mo, they say you look hot, bro.
I look hot. They called me she.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you. I am in fact male. She's not happy. You think I should take it down,
Let me see.
Chris?
Let me see. Let me see. Keegan is glad because for once he's not the one in
Who
car.
caused trouble? Guys, I have such a demanding job.
No,
Quinn,
mate, take it off, bro.
Quinn and I
Immediately.
appreciate it.
Immediately.
Okay, I am taking down the post. If you guys saw it on Instagram,
Bro, you're gonna need to change the thumbnail as well. Because you most probably used that same picture on the thumbnail.
I did.
Gotta take it off, my brother.
Yo,
That
okay.
lady is...
Fuming.
She is fuming. Chatadonia, there she goes. We haven't missed it, don't stress.
Oh, shit.
We haven't missed it. If we get a pullback, I'll start looking for sells here if we get a pullback. But for the guys that took it here, I would have been out there. I would have taken my 1R and called it a day.
Mm-hmm.
What flavor am I vaping?
Yeah,
I'm
you're right.
vaping the frozen fruit monster mixed berry ice. This one right here. Chatadonia, who got into the GU shorts? This is part of being prepared. I was unprepared. I was looking for it. It already moved a little bit. And it's not the same if it pulls back because my plan was to enter there.
What did Ethan say? That Chris read. And he just immediately like, no, we'll take it down.
Jesus.
Okay, noted.
No, she's very pissed, my brother. She's not even a little
I
bit
can't catch
happy.
a break this week.
There dies GBP, JPY, but my only issue is I can't take the short if everything doesn't line up. So I'm happy to miss it. This would have been my entry right there if the 80 lined up, if the 80 was trading below. That is where I would have entered. There's my break of structure. There's my round number. But again, after yesterday being undisciplined and thinking this or that, no trade for me. This trade I wanted to take here, but I was too slow on the ball. We've broken at structure level there. You could have... I don't know. I wouldn't have taken it there. No.
I think we might have missed this trade.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. If we get a pullback, I'm gonna set alerts there. 2216.
Must be nice, Javon.
Maintain my 100% L rate this week. Nah, I thought it was just me. If I don't catch a trade today and I close the week out like this, it is also straight L's with one break even. Straight L's, one break even if I don't catch a trade yet today.
You can redeem yourself here, Chris.
No. I can 100%. If there's a setup according to my plan, I will take it. Otherwise, I wanted to take GU shorts, as mentioned, a little bit slow on the trigger. That would have been my 15k for the day and done. But we still have EU potentially this weekly pivot. You gone short, Chris, opposite to your common acknowledge in... Oh, beautiful.
What's that?
Geeks, you should actually pay Anton less. The man only showed up late. Anton, bro, remember we're not going to pay you $100 a week if you come late. You need to be here the entire stream, brother.
Anton just got here and he has no idea what you guys are talking about.
No, bro, I'm not going to... Are you going to pay him this week?
No.
He only showed up for 2 streams, and we asked him to.
The man is half-assing everything. We want full commitment.
Anton, you need to be here first thing in the morning if you
Yeah.
want to be part of the team.
You can't be a half a hater. You have to be a full-time hater.
Anton, bro, we need you from the start of the streams. We need you from the start, brother.
You know what I love though is we're getting Instagram messages about him.
Really?
Yeah, I post him winnings and then people will be like, yeah, Anton would say that's a loss.
But yeah, okay, guys, we told you we are paying Anton. We're helping the guy out.
Keeps the boys.
Because the
happy.
thing is, you need this type of beef on the chat. And like we also said, it measures the consistency of our followers. And the way that you guys pull through just shows us that you are true followers of the channel.
So here's your retest of GU, Chris.
No, we actually pay Anton. He doesn't pay any part of the rent.
Chris, you're gonna enter GU?
I'm gonna wait for that full retest. No, but we're only paying him $20. He only showed up for 2 streams, and he came late to this one. So maybe we'll throw $30. Keeks, we can PayPal him $30. He wasn't on point this week.
It's unacceptable behavior.
But maybe it was a tough week. Anton, we'll do $35, brother.
Yeah, I'm only like going into the chat now. This man's been going at it, eh? EU
Okay.
gone short, Chris. Opposite to your common knowledge in Muscle Bay. What is with this guy in Muscle Bay, though?
Wait, where did he say Muscle
GU
Bay?
short
Oh, yeah.
too. Yeah, bro, we are short in GU. Now you got it back. You got truth now. Wrong EU take there was the issue. Admit it now. This is true only. Wrong trading is an issue nowadays. You get it back clear. Read above clear. Read above about your EU trade.
Okay, Keeks, e-wallet, PayPal him euros. Make sure it's euros. And acknowledge we have year only. Shame. And the guys, vocab is a little bit...
Yeah, English isn't the strong point.
No.
I mean, neither is trading, but English as well.
Why don't you start your own... Guys, so Anton, we really pay him. Anton, just tell the guys we pay you.
Did you actually read P1's message?
What did
The
people...
end.
Show us what a great guru you are.
EU gone to Muscle Bay. Oh, this man's obsessed with Muscle Bay.
I think he's from Muscle Bay. There's only one bay, and that's the Muscle Bay.
I will pay for Anton's signals.
But I love how Anton keeps up the chat rate for us, just boosting the algo. Gents, you're trading at 4 a.m. I salute y'all.
Bro's mad.
You have to salute Keeks.
What's the beef with Muscle Bay?
Yasty, bro. Muscle Bay swimming contest to Gansbaai. A classic. No, we actually have to get Anton on a podcast with us. Our biggest fan, guys. He single-handedly boosts the chat rate to like 3-4 chats per minute. And we gotta really salute that guy. Anton, thank you so much, brother. We really appreciate everything that you're doing for the channel. Thanks, my brother. Keep on typing more. Let's get that chat rate up from Anton. It is absolutely stunning how he supports the channel. Yeah, Chad, as mentioned, session lows for gold. You don't want it to hang around here. So I think as soon as it starts breaking there, you can start getting that move down. I'm still weirdly thinking this week can go to 1942. Maybe that consumer sentiment index a little bit later. Get Anton in for the Asia sessions. Anton, chat to me, brother. Let's get you on for the Asia sessions. We've got our Asia session, man, Anton and Mo for. I think that would be dope.
What? I'm gonna know for what?
Asia session, brother.
Yo. Anton, I'm in if you're in, bro.
I would love for Anton to handle the Asia session.
Yo, we'd wreck people's accounts, bro.
Yo, Chris, you go wrong by trades all the time. Check your trading journal.
Oi, yeah, all the time.
All those winning trades are actually wrong. They're actually wrong, then I weren't winning.
So all these trades we took with the stream. Yeah, so guys, sorry. This is actually an inverted curve. Don't worry.
Jeff and Anton.
Oh, yeah, Jeff and Anton. Jeff, you're going to handle the stream with Anton, brother.
Asia session.
I think Anton looks like he's one of those needy guys, so you're going to have your hands full with him. He needs that constant affirmation.
You're doing great, Anton. We love and appreciate you.
Anton, thank you for doing the Asia session. We love you, bro. Shane, yeah, Anton is really one of those needy guys. I think...
Damn, guys, ease off, actually.
What do you mean?
Dude, yo, you're ripping the guy, eh?
He's loving the attention. It's the only attention he gets.
Okay.
Bro, you need to bring some comedy. Trading is already serious enough.
GJ. Come on, Anton, give us a trade here, bro. Come, give us a trade.
Anton, Adonia.
Let's take a trade from Anton.
Anton, give us your bias, my brother. I think he just loves hearing his name, Anton. Antoine. Came to the stream for Chris and Keegan. Stayed for Anton. Bro, you gotta have that one guy.
Come on, Anton. We're waiting for a signal here, bro. Give us a signal.
But bro, I don't think he can even be South African because listen to this. You go by wrong, but you stuck on it. Like, is he using like a phrase, or what do they call it? The translator app.
I think so. He's not from here,
Yeah.
and he's a guy that if you Google South Africa, like Mossel Base is probably the first place that pops up.
Yeah.
So that's the only place he knows. Loss is your business.
Damn.
Hey, at least you said that one correctly. Technic maybe. Like
Spanish.
80%.
Is he Spanish? How did that brother know he's Spanish?
Read above big letters. We are waiting for a signal. Anton, we didn't say anything, bro. We're just waiting for your signal so we can all be winners. If you don't have idea, don't trade. We don't. We're not trading because we don't have one. That's why we're asking you. Anton is the type of guy to introduce his girlfriend to her parents. Oh my word.
But no man, you should see his chats. Maybe you Anton probably drives a piece.
No, there's a few people I saw yesterday that were like, they can't see his
wonder why.
messages.
Maybe if I make him an administrator.
Anton, zero idea second name here. You get the answers here.
100% you're gonna get the answers on the stream.
You don't
Anton.
like my clear answers. Who talks like that?
Bro, I don't know. That's even worse than the scammers that usually use the translator apps.
Minty nasty, I'm blocked. Clear ways you get here. Anton, go home, you drunk.
Hey, Chad.
Answers you get clear.
But I have to say, I can see he's trying to improve his vocab. Like, they're like answers you get. First he said clear answers you get clear. Shot Anton, brother. Just boosting that algorithmic.
Oh.
Keeks, what if we first get a drop today on dollar back to weekly pivot level and then later get that push up? Wait, what now?
Top 5. This guy sounds like Yoda from Star Wars. Answers you get are clear.
GU on your level, bro. Yeah, GU also, like I mentioned, after that retest. So if you look here previously, I mentioned every time we closed below, we held it. So if we can reject there, then I'm looking for the potential sells. Otherwise, if we trade back above, very likely you can get the same reaction. This was yesterday, or this was at the start of Asia. That was last night, 20 to 10 GMT plus 2. So that's why I say every time we've closed below, we pop back up. So if we can reject here, I will look for the sells. Otherwise, no trade here for me. I'm actually leaning towards buys on EU. No, remember there's that key level. So I still told you, you can come back and retest that. So we've tested that key level. The AD is now starting to turn bullish. So, yeah, guys. So for EU, what I'll be doing is, so we've got this session high level right here. I would love for price to create resistance at that level, pull back, retest Asia highs, then break it. We've got the daily pivot there, but I think we're going to go to that next level, 106.93, because we've held that key level now, and very likely we're going to push up. How many pips is this? Only 15, but let's see. That is the idea I've got for EU, and GJ, as mentioned, can't take the sell, still pushing above the 200 on the 80, so no trade there for me. And GU, I would say I would start looking long once we get above the moving average, because that can then also push to this 2247. What is Euro GBP doing? Let's quickly see who's got the strength.
I think we
day.
just figured out, okay, Anton 100% isn't English. Look how he spelled right.
Where,
The last message.
oh, if you don't have idea, don't write. Oh, yeah, check. Oh, yeah, right. Bro, that's more like a surname, the way you said it.
Yeah.
Because right is actually WRITE.
Yeah.
Anton, just so you can add that to your vocab, say it a few times, right. Alright, Euro is actually the stronger one between the two, yeah. So Euro USD, maybe. Let's see. Kigadarius. Look at that thing.
Oh, I don't want to guys.
And you would have still been in. I think you took it here somewhere. Yeah, you would have still.
I don't want to talk about it.
All right, Chatadonia. EJ, what is EJ doing? Oh, yeah. EJ holding that daily pivot. Let's look at Euro. All right, Chatadonia. Here's the thing. We've tested the daily key level. We haven't tested Asia highs. Every time we closed above Asia highs, we failed to hold above it. So this time around, if we can come back to test Asia highs and we hold it and we then go and break structure, I will look for potential buys. Even though I'm bearish on the day, it is Friday. But that then means we can very likely go to that level right there. So let's see. Tina Satini still holding that trade, Keeks.
Well, I'm just glad someone is.
Okay, Chad, I'm just gonna remove Anton now because it's fun for a while, but it just gets weird. It's like a type of a bromance. Anton, I'm just gonna put you in timeout for 5 minutes. You can still watch the stream, but calm down, chill. Come back when you're ready to trade with us and add some value. But it is getting weird, honestly. It has now turned into this weird fetish he's got now in the chat. Think about your sins.
The fetish was muscle day.
Okay, think about your sins and come back ready. Only 5 minutes, but you are now honestly disturbing our work environment. He's like that one guy in the office that cracks a few jokes, you laugh once and it keeps going, and it's like, bro, fuck back to your desk. We need to put in some work. Mo, I'm thinking 1 o'clock.
What's that?
We're gonna have to maybe do like.
We're talking about the thumbnail.
No, the time for the pod.
Oh, I scheduled it for 1 o'clock.
No, but I'm thinking it's gonna be a little bit. You think it's gonna? We're gonna have because we're still waiting here. There's still some potential setups that
Okay,
can
we
play
could push
out.
it to 1:30 if we end the stream at 12:30.
Yeah, what do you think, Geeks?
Yeah.
My question is, do you wanna rather Fridays take a break from the NYSE session?
I think we could.
How are the markets around that time?
No, because the reason I asked this chat, so here's the thing, the equipment is quite, there's quite a bit of equipment and cabling that, so straight after the stream for the Friday pod, we literally have to charge the camera quickly. We literally have to plug in everything. We have to get the tripod set up. So then we do the podcast and then we literally have to recable everything here, because we haven't received all of our spare cables. So from next week, once we've got all the pod cables, it's literally only plugging out the sound desk and the Atom. So Keeks, what do you think?
I think it's
Maybe start the pod at 2, no NYSE stream.
There's no news. There's nothing really to trade, and it's a Friday. That's why I'm not even trying to force anything now. Those trades left me. I'm not trading now. Like, I'm done. It's a Friday.
Chad, are you guys fine with that? Obviously, everything we do here is for the Chad. So, are you guys happy with that? It's just we're waiting. We've ordered quite a bit of cables for that reason, that we can just plug and play. So, literally already have the pod set up on that side, but. Jeff crying at his desk. Yo, Jeff loves the NYSE streams. What do you? I think collectively, Mo, we need to make a decision. Yeah, Keeks.
Will there be London stream next week? New York sesh.
Always, always. All right, Chad. I'm gonna start getting that giveaway ready to give away that account. You still have a chance to enter. Go and like that last Instagram post I made of me looking sad, and drop a comment as to why you still keep on trading after you are in a losing streak. This one right here, just want to show you guys.
Chris, I think they're going a bit against you, eh? The Chad wants the New York session.
No, if Keegan is happy, then we flip everything over. This one right here, guys. Drop a like, drop a comment. We're gonna do the giveaway shortly. No, Keeks, if you're ready, that's why I ordered all of those additional cables, so we can literally just flip over.
Well, guys, keep in mind, that was what we're saying. It literally would have probably just been today.
Today, yeah.
Like, from next week, it would have been fine. But it just means today we wouldn't have had it, but yeah.
Alright, Chatadonia, here's that level, and if we create a support here and we break this support, I am going short on GU. That is the only way that I can get short. Because look here, every time break below, close back above, but here we retested that zone. We're now potentially creating some type of support. How's the hourly gonna close? Let's just look at the hourly quick. Hourly is gonna close like an ugly duckling, but let's see. We want NY. You guys are gonna get NY. We listen to the chat, don't stress. You will get NY. We're just gonna need to hustle to get everything set up. Mo, when I leave to go and pick up that mic preamp, are you gonna start setting up the pod?
I have no choice.
Huh?
I have no choice. I gotta do it.
Can I please look at NAS? As mentioned, we are short bias for the day, my brother, from here. So nothing else to look at. Let me... Alright guys, 2 minutes to get your entries in, and then we are going to do the live giveaway. And then let me just post my link media here from the comments. Somebody's walking away with a Vault Funder account today. Can you please, okay, we looked at it. What is the bet type you can give for best tip? I think you wanted to say best tip. Best tip for a new trader is stick to the process. Don't panic. Stick to a process, and at the end, if you stick to the process, things will work out. You just got to stick it out. It's going to be tough. There are going to be times where you want to give up. You're going to cry a little bit. You're going to want to give up, but just stick to the process, brother. And keep it simple. don't think more equals more profit, more knowledge equals more profits. You need specific knowledge when it comes to trading. Having all of the book knowledge and not being able to apply it is also not good. So, specific knowledge, be very critical with yourself. And Keeks, what's your best tip you can give a new trader or any trader? New trader.
Don't be greedy. Honestly,
Yeah.
like be like we always say the risk management, but be patient. And the thing we always go back to it, but I think it's a very, very important thing is don't forget the value of $1. Don't aim for these home runs. Be consistent, be profitable, and just bring home those little wins every single day.
All right, Chad, we're going to do that giveaway. Hope you guys already be humble or 100%, brother. Humility, I can agree with you 100%.
Yes, sis. I'm
What?
just checking now. Sorry. Proteas are obviously playing today.
Yeah.
Our last game. First ball, first wicket.
Did we get a...
Yeah.
Who are we playing against?
Afghanistan.
Is it now like knockouts?
That's the last playoff. Then we start semis.
Okay.
But we're already through.
Okay. I
Yeah.
thought it's like a knockout now. Trading got stages just like grieving. 100% Milani. All right, Chadadonia. Let's quickly look at the charts. Then we're going to do the giveaway. Chad. I'm a little bit in two minds here. GJ. You guys know I'm bearish on the yen long term. Like, I've said it for the last 2-3 months. There's nothing bullish about the yen at this stage. From these session highs, we've been creating bearish order flow. We've got this 185 key level here. The 80 is still relatively bullish. And I potentially want to look for longs once we start breaking above here. So I'm just letting you guys know potential longs. I'm going to set some alerts at Asia highs. Keeks, I know you also want to go long.
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't know. I could be on the wrong side of it because we haven't taken Asia lows as of yet. GU. Keeks, GU. Closure below Asia lows. Are we executing?
We're going to go for it.
Are we going to go for a Chadadonia? Talk to me, Chad.
Where we going?
Keeks, what are we doing, brother? I think because I want to go short, I'm actually going to go long.
Okay, I'm not going to be a part of this nonsense. No.
So, Chad, what I'm going to do is, as soon as this candle closes, instead of going short, I am going to go long. Everything tells me to go short, so I'm going to go long as soon as this candle closes. My bullets are spent, go for it. That is if it closes below Asia lows. 1 minute, but guys, let's do the giveaway. I'm ready for it. Let's see. Right. Are you guys ready? I don't think we're going to close below. Maybe we get that GJ trade. There is some trades we can take here, so don't stress. Chat, ready for the giveaway? Let's look at it. Chadadonia. Keeks, are you ready?
What am I ready for? The giveaway.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Since your entry count is more than 100, you must purchase a credit for one giveaway. $3.9. Yo, where's
Do it
my...
on Keegan's screen.
Huh?
Can't you do it from Keegan's screen?
Oh yeah, Keegs. I'm gonna send you a link.
But does he have to sign into your Instagram or something?
No, you can
Okay.
just. I'm gonna share the link to Keegan quickly. We're gonna do it from his screen. Oh yeah, I've used my free one. So $4 for a giveaway. That's 2 Seattles, bro. I'm gonna send you. You don't have Telegram on there, eh? I'll need to send it through Discord.
I think
Let
it
me-
is, but it's
No, go on
Jevons.
Discord. I want to pop it on Discord. So open that up and then you copy this link. Okay, we're gonna do it from Keegan's screen. Okay, open that up and then here is the comment achter IG link. Right, Chad, give us a second. Oh, didn't close below, Chad. Can't take it.
Thank God.
Okay, and then what do I do?
Copy that and you paste it there.
Yeah.
Chad, give me a second. Just give me 1 second. So
From
you can-
likes, from comments, from comments.
Comments, yeah, and then go next there at the bottom.
Next,
Right, avoid duplicates.
number of winners one.
Yeah. Okay, next. Right, Chad, get ready. Wait. Okay, try as free. Click on it, try as just sign in. And then once you just stay with,
Where?
go top right. Top right of your browser.
Oh yeah, log in.
Continue with Google.
Aha. Let's see now. Try is free. No, since your entry count is more than 100, you must purchase a credit.
Okay, Mo, you're gonna have to do me one, yeah.
What am I doing?
I'm gonna have to buy a credit, my brother. But no, man, there should be other ones. Chad, give me a second.
We will find one while we're waiting for trades.
Instagram. Comment picker. Bro, there's literally a business for everything, eh? There is literally a business for everything. All right, Chatadonia. Oh my goodness. Now everyone's asking for. Look about this one's only $1.4. I can do that.
Can you afford it?
Download on the App Store.
Because I know it's been a tough week.
You don't think I can pay one? Chatadonia. Give me a second. Nah, it's even freezing my PC. Sorry, I just don't want to miss a trade. Yeah. GJ, let's see. GJ, EJ, we. Keegs. Okay, Euro slowly dying. GU. Are you gonna go for GU? It's below that key level. Not.
What is dollar doing?
43 is not.
I don't know. Because that dollar's like back at Asia highs, but every time it gets there, it closes above and then rejects back down again.
Yeah, I think actually the base bet's gonna be GJ. Let's see. So I don't know why they say this shit's free and then it's not free. Okay, I think I found one. Alright, Chatadonia. We've got something. Comments loading. Mo, are you uploading something on the internet?
Sorry, Chris.
Are you uploading something on the internet? Oh, because yeah, it's buffering. All right, Chatadonia. I hope you guys are ready. Let's go. Here is the giveaway. Pick a winner. Let's see who is the winner. Chad Marit Moeren. Marit Moeren. Please let me know if you are in the chat. Marit Moeren. Losses are part of the game, but makes all of us stronger than ever. What a solid comment. Let's see if Marit is on. Marit, please let me know if you are in the chat. I would love to know if you are in. Is it Marita or Marit? Maybe it is Marita. Marit. Yo, Doorang. Please send me a Instagram message. Marit, you are the winner. And awesome Marit. Also beautiful comment there. Losses are part of the game, but makes all of us stronger than ever. Beautiful, Marit, and it is awesome to give that away, and especially that it's a lady. That is amazing. I don't think we've done a giveaway. We have done a giveaway for the ladies. I'm lying, we have, but we're gonna give an account away to Marit. Marit, I'm kindly gonna ask you to send me that message. Then you're just gonna need to register a profile. And Marit, jou lekker ding. And then we're gonna do the giveaway for the guys that did the raid. So we're gonna do a giveaway for those boys. There's not a lot of them that raided. Let's see who are all of the boys that raided. This guy won. M, are you on, my brother? The guy, you were banned quicker. M was the first to get kicked. Oh no, I can't do it like that. I need to put in those names. Mine was like 30 seconds. Chatadonia. How are we gonna give the raiders a giveaway? What is your outlook from Euro USD? Brother, it's pretty mixed, to be honest. I'm bearish on the day. However, we've got this key level right here, and we've tested it now once. We've held onto it, and as mentioned, I told you guys, if we can start trading back above Asia highs and we start breaking structure to the upside, also holding above this moving average, I will definitely be looking long. Raiders for all the lost trades. Maybe the Ragers and not the Raiders. So GU is also tough because it is starting to want to creep long. Keeks, why don't we go long, brother? If we start breaking back inside of the Asia range, we clap it long. What do you think? Because you were initially long on the day.
Yeah.
What you rate? We as soon as we break this structure here, we clap it long.
What structure are you looking to break?
There. Because then we've held that daily key level.
Yeah, I back that one.
You back it.
I'll back it. Like I said, the problem for me is dollar is actually battling in the sense that we made the high of the day, and then every time, yes, we are getting back above the Asia high, but then the minute we back above it, it's like 2 candles and then we right back down. So the dollar is really battling at Asia highs. So even now, like last time we broke above it and closed right back down to Asia lows. Now we're back at Asia highs, but we closed below it and it's turning bearish again. So the dollar is really battling at the Asia highs.
I'm list for that fund account. Mo, have you posted the podcast link yet? What time? Something's very laggy on my side. I don't know what's up. Okay, you're back at Geeks. Also back at Chad. I'm not leaving here before I take a trade. Under what did you put it live? Obviously, it's going to be a live. Chadadonia, I want you guys. We're going to go live. Yeah. 1:30 in basically an hour and 15 minutes. We're going live for the pod. I don't know, Mo. Luckily, Mo is not here next week when Caitlin's back because Moski, my brother. Yo, Mo, you are in cock, my brother. How's Caitlin feeling now, bro? She said anything?
No, I sent her the picture. I told her to. Well, she sent me the picture.
Oi.
Nah, but she's already calming down the fact we took it down. I think she
Okay.
just thought like she didn't think we wouldn't take it down.
Did you think we wouldn't?
Yeah.
No, we'll do it. We're not here.
Like you're saying, she just doesn't like. She like now she's chill, but she actually even feels a bit bad now to almost like make a bit of a scene. But like she said, her things that she mentioned, she didn't want that photo.
Did you watch the stream?
I don't think she's watching the stream.
Yeah, Steve, really, that's one thing you don't.
You know, that's the one problem. Okay, so like with you and Elsie, she'll watch the stream to see if we catch it on cuck. Where Caitlin won't watch purely because she's so not interested in trading. She knows we talk shit on here, so like she's not bothered.
Are you looking for buys? Potentially, yes. Here's my thing though. It is Friday, and we have been trading down for almost 4 days. And I'm not saying we cannot trade down any further, but my only thing though is if you look at the 80, it is starting to chip away at trying to flip bullish. So I don't know. Technically we're in a range. Here's my thing, bro. We in a range. This right here is a range. Dollar is in a range. It's not creating high highs or high lows.
Yeah.
It's literally in a range.
But that's the problem. So you're either gonna have a massive win here on a Friday, or you're gonna get clapped because that thing's gonna break out with a lot of volume to one side. So you just want to hope you're on the right side of it.
I'm in EU from daily pivot. EU. Let's look at EU.
Didn't
All
we
right.
take? Well, some of the guys took EU.
Yeah.
I was back down again now. Anyway, see, that's my thing. Like, I don't even feel bad about that trade.
Jaredona, I'm actually thinking about calling the stream.
I was gonna say I'm not trading anymore, so it's up to you.
We are in a range. If you look at it, we opened up here and we are literally back at the open level. EU is in a range. I don't know what to tell you guys here. I also cannot force or fabricate a trade. I wanted to enter here on GU. We would have been out already. It gave us 16 pips, so 1-to-1. That was my idea initially. Now we're holding this key level, and what time is it now in London? It's now only 20 past 10. Do we give it 10 more minutes? Darius, 10 more minutes? No?
I'll chill here with you for 10 minutes, but I'm not taking a trade.
I'm gonna wait 10 more minutes, guys. We look at USD CAD, I will, brother, while we wait. I've set the alerts. USD CAD. Let's quickly look at USD CAD. Let's go to USD CAD. Alright, I'm going to do a quick top-down analysis for you. USD CAD, so I think I did a USD CAD analysis for you earlier in the week. And I mentioned to you this is most probably our trading range that we are in. So from a daily perspective, you can come all the way to this previous breakout level. Also, one thing to note, technically we have shifted bearish. If I go over to a line chart on the daily, you'll see that from this low right here, we created a new high, and then this low took out that low. So market has shifted a little bit bearish, but currently it is bullish. So I would say monitor this area for potential reversals, but on the day I would be bullish. 5-minute time frame, I would also be relatively neutral, because we've had this pullback on the 80 and now it is starting to churn a little bit higher. So but it is trading currently above the 200. You've got your Asia lows here, nicely swept. Price is trading above the daily pivot. You are now at Asia highs. I would say if you didn't catch it from here or close to the Asia lows, this is definitely not the place to enter. Maybe wait for some type of pullback back to this 1-800 level, or even wait for potential breaks and closures above here. But not the place now to buy it. Or personally for me, I think your buys were down here somewhere. If you took it, there was also your round number that held your institutional level. So yeah, that's USD CAD. MS, I'm gonna do that draw on Discord, because I need to manually put in all of your names. Oh yeah, Minty, I know you took that sell. We talked about it. Well done, brother. I think you caught it here somewhere, if I'm not mistaken. That break there, yeah. Well done, well done. Yeah, 7 more minutes. We'll see where we are. Raiders. No, I'll do Raiders. Don't stress. I am going to do a giveaway for you guys, specifically for you. Don't worry. I've got my Raiders. UJ, weirdly enough, I was bullish this morning. I still told Keegan we missed our buy here. Straight after the shuffle. This is your buy. I'm thinking, I've been bullish since we closed back above this key level here. The day we closed above that key level on Tuesday, I said we closed back above that level. So most likely this is our range. So 100%. I think it's going there. Only thing is I didn't get an entry. Like I said, this entire week, I've been bullish on it. I actually think that one I closed out early. When was that? On the 6th, I took a buy at 149.78. 149.70. Yeah, it was here. It was late in the afternoon. 149. Yeah, it was here. I took the buys there. 149. Yeah, I took the buys. It was 10 past 5. I took the buys there, 20 pips stop. I think I still gave it to you guys on stream. I closed it out for like minus a pip or something once it broke below. But yeah, so basically from Tuesday already I was looking for buys, and if I was a swing trader, my goodness, how many pips is this? Not a bag full, 150 pips. But yeah, now I've been bullish on UJ since Tuesday. There's that buy to close it out for 1.6 pips. Could have held that long. Yeah, bro, that's the thing. Hindsight, we could have done a lot of things. But unfortunately, in the moment, you do what you see and what your brain tells you to do. That's the one, brother. Looking for buys to that zone. Could have held that long. Is Kate working the back end of the Vault Funder support side? There's quite a few people that's working that, Dustin. So we have quite a few people on. Alright, chat, 4 more minutes. Let's see where we are. Love the stream. Thanks, Dustin. Went short on gold from 1957. Beautiful, brother. Beautiful. Yeah, did a very solid analysis on gold. As mentioned, we are bearish on the day. You've got some clean ranges to trade into. And actually very, very nice setup. Only way I would have taken this was most probably after this rejection, yeah. So, but I'm going to get back to gold. I'm actually from next week, I'm going to start backtesting gold again. I want to get back into it. I stopped trading it. I think it was this period. Yeah, I just want to show you guys when gold was in this ugly, ugly range. When was it? This year. Yeah. There was 2 periods where gold was just ugly. It was April. That ugly range there. And then again we had that ugly range there. So, but yeah, it was a blast trading gold. Okay, pound yen. What is pound yen doing? Pound yen. Let's check it out. Mo, is your mic still plugged in, my brother?
I'm still alive, Chris.
How are you feeling, my brother?
I am feeling okay. I'm feeling alright. I've just been working this time around, I haven't stopped since I plugged in.
How are you feeling for the Cape Town trip?
I'm kind of excited. I was very excited because I thought we're going to do Mavericks, and then you told me that, nah, bro, it's just going to be work from Monday to Thursday. So
no Mavs for you, my brother.
I haven't earned it.
No, gold, weirdly enough, was one of my best instruments I traded. There were months where I didn't take a single loss on gold. And then when it started ranging and I couldn't get set up, so I literally just stopped looking at it. I even told you guys I used my, if you go here, my grid for gold. That $5 grid works insane on gold. this $5 grid is where the bee's knees are at. Go draw that $5 grid for yourself, and go back test it and come back and tell me if you've seen a difference in your trading. But gold $5 grid, that is where the business is at.
Enter the trade.
I know, I'm just showing the guys the $5 grid on gold. We should have named the pod what? VA Raiders.
Did you
Ethan, we're coming on Monday for 4 days. We're meeting up with the Vault funded team and with the Vault Markets team there.
did you do the giveaway? Who won?
A lady won, Mattia.
Okay.
Matt.
Weren't you here for that?
No, I was on the phone call.
Alright, chatted only a quick wrap up here. Dollar is in a range. I am bullish on the day. I don't know why this is showing bearish. I'm bullish on the day. But with how things are trading, my bias has been wrong for the most part. I'm either a day out or a day early. That is fine. US30, I am bearish. Oh my fuck. Did everything change back now? My goodness. Okay, anyways. So if you change your layouts, if you change it here, those layouts, then NASDAQ also bearish. My goodness. Let's just save it. Alright, Chatadonia, bearish there. UJ, again, this thing I think is going to grind 150, 170, and I think after that it is going to run. One thing I'm going to let you guys know, I'm going to be closely monitoring this 185 level, and weirdly enough, on the day for GJ, we are in a technical daily range. Longer term, we are bullish. However, on the day, I am bearish, just simply due to that fact we failed to hold on to this key daily level there. So, again, we can come back into the range, or we can start trading lower to come and retest this previous breakout area. Again, the 80 is telling me two conflicting stories. I want to go short. However, the 80 is still telling me it is relatively bullish. So just keep that in mind. Daily bias, there's also bearish. Bearish there on the day. Then gold, let's quickly look at gold. I'm bearish. I told you guys to watch out for that level. I think we can honestly go back down here on the daily. Bro, did I lose my analysis? No, I didn't. Most likely level, if we continue bearish for gold, 1942. You'll most probably see that later in the session if we continue bearish. GU, I am bearish on the day. However, this has been ranging. I missed my setup. I'm not going to try and execute now. Euro USD, I was bearish on the day. However, we never broke below this key level or stayed below it. I'm potentially leaning towards longs. Damn, why is all of my analysis has been thrown out here? Let me just save this. German 30, I said monitor this level right here, and then also monitor this key level. I am bullish on the day for that, so wait potentially to get above the daily pivot. And EJ, I was bullish on the day as well. Yeah, this thing didn't save my analysis. But Chatadonia, we'll see you guys at 1:30 podcast live. Myself, Keegan, Mo, and Jev. And I'm looking forward to that. 4 more likes. Drop the likes if you want. But other than that, we'll see you guys 1:30 podcast live. Appreciate the love and support, guys. No trades, unfortunately. It's been a banger. Gratitude from my side for having you on. Keeks, any closing remarks for the chat? See you guys at 1:30. Keeks is going to give you the outro. What is the outro? Throw it down.
Yeah, guys, I think biggest thing is, remember, it's just 1 week. Trading, the markets, everything is still going to be back here again Monday. So don't take it too hard if it's been a
Incoming
week.
mail.
Don't take it personally. The markets aren't out there to get you. You can come back stronger, come back better, just learn from it. And again, those pips and profits will be right here on Monday waiting for you.
Chat, see you guys at 1:30. G's and Co. First ever live podcast. Maybe we do a giveaway there. I don't know. Maybe we don't do a giveaway. But we want you in the chat there. We want to chat to you guys a little bit more loose. A little bit more about everything else. We're going to talk about live trading, talk about goals, talk about everything trading related, everything related to life. And that's going to be a blast. We're going to start setting up the podcast set now, and we will see you guys 1:30. Be sure to join in.
Awesome.
Join in.
Check you guys there.
Peace and love, Chatadonia. See you guys shortly. Big Friday.